So yesterday I installed my new shifter. So today I'm going to be removing the column shifter.
Hi guys, I decided I may as well speed this part up. I didn't figure you needed to see me taking apart the column and the cover and stuff. I figured I'd just speed that up for you. And here I'm just looking to see what's involved in taking off the shifter. There was 5 bolts, Torx bolts, that had to come out. Wasn't that hard to get them out. There were a little bit of stuff in the way, but it was pretty easy. And here I'm just trying to pry off the shifter cable off the end, and I believe there was some type of a kickdown cable also. There was 2 cables on the end of that, and I just took the pry bar and pried them both off. They come off not too bad. And here I'm starting to put the trim back on. I get the bottom piece on, and then I get the top piece sitting in there. And then I start to look at the great big hole in the side of that, and I really don't like it. So I decide I got to do something with that to make it look a little bit better. You can see it's quite a hole in the side of that. It's yeah, quite a hole there. Anyway, so I do a little bit of thinking, and this is what I came up with to fix that issue. So I had this, it's called PVC Flashing. It's just like a sheet of plastic, really, is all it is. Anyway, I decided to cut a couple of pieces of that and hot glue it in there in place. And it actually turned out not too bad. It certainly looks a lot better than having a big hole, for sure. Eventually what I'll probably do is I will look for a column cover, same cover as this one, except out of a standard truck, because of course in a standard they wouldn't have a column shifter, so the hole wouldn't be there at all. So eventually I'll probably replace it with that, but for now this will work fine. And here I just grabbed the acetone just to wipe the inside of the plastics there down to make sure that the hot glue would stick very well. And it worked really good. The hot glue stuck really well once I wiped all the dust and dirt and bugs out of there. And this is just me snapping everything back together. Column covers all back on there. And it turned out pretty good.